Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Alex. So I just backed into my parking spot at the long-term parking lot at the Jackson Airport. Going to be headed to Thailand here soon. We'll be flying from Jackson to Houston, Texas, then Houston, Texas to Los Angeles, California, leaving LAX, traveling to Hong Kong, and then from Hong Kong I'll finally be making my way to Bangkok, Thailand. And I'll be meeting Amy there at the airport, my beautiful fiance Amy. This is my second trip to Thailand now, and I'm so freaking excited for this trip. It's going to be a lot of fun, I just know it. I'm actually going to be spending my birthday with her and her family. You might know this, that her dad actually shares the same birthday as me, so that's pretty cool. Going to have a pretty big party, so it's going to be a lot of fun. So in this video today, guys, just going to be showing you clips from my Thailand trip, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Please make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks, everyone.
To have breakfast noodle. It's like a Vietnamese noodle. It's popular restaurant in Loen. You want another? The same place.
Well, guys, that's all the footage from my first day, first night back in Thailand visiting Amy. And I was there for a total of 4 days, 4 nights, so still got plenty of stuff to show you. So hopefully you did enjoy this video, because I'm still got at least one more to show you. But yeah, guys, I was only there for 4 days, 4 nights on this quick little trip, because as you might know this, I have 10 dogs that someone needs to watch while I'm away, and luckily enough, my mom agreed to watch them by herself. But 10 dogs is still a lot of dogs to watch by yourself, so that's why it had to be a quick little trip. And I was only in Thailand for 4 days, 4 nights, but I was gone for a total of 7 days, because it takes like a day and a half just to get there and a day and a half to get back. So still gone for 7 full days. So thankfully my mom watched them and the dogs behaved, so that was cool. So hopefully maybe I can do another trip here shortly, because as you might know this, the reason why I was calling Amy my fiance prior to me even going on this trip this time is because we have turned in the K1 visa application a few months back. And in that application, you're promising that you'll be getting married to each other within 90 days of their arrival. That's why it's called the 90-day fiance visa. So we already pretty much promised to get married to each other. So that's, at least in my book and in her book, that's being engaged, because you have already promised to marry each other. But even so, I was still definitely quite nervous to do the proposal in person that I showed you guys in this video. And I'm really thankful, really lucky that she said yes. So I'm super happy. She's happy. So it's going to be great. I can't wait to bring her back here and start our life here in Mississippi on our 61-acre property. So that's going to be awesome. It'll be a big change for her, big change for me, but a huge change for her. She's leaving her home country, that's all she knows, leaving her family. That she'll be, I'm sure, doing lots of video calls and hopefully yearly visits back, but we'll be seeing, because it's not freaking cheap to go to Thailand and back, that's for sure. So I'll do my best to get her there as often as I can, because I know she'll be really missing her family. Her family is some of the nicest people I've ever met. Just the Thai people in general are super nice people. I mean, they are really welcoming and just grateful for you being there. So it's just awesome. It's a really cool country to go visit. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this video footage. I'll be showing you in my next video. So stay tuned for that. So thanks to everyone for watching. Please make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for everybody, and I'll see you guys next time.